like day before yesterday we discussed about the select query. So in the select query also we discussed about how to filter. Okay, like with columns how you want to get or how many columns you want. Okay, these all things we already discussed. Okay, and how and operation will work and how our operation will work we discussed it, right? Till here if you have any doubts please let me know, otherwise we will proceed for further topics. Till here if you have any doubts please let me know.
No doubts.
No doubts, right? So okay, so here the next point is called distinct. Okay, how to comment in the SQL? You need to give hyphen hyphen. So distinct means unique values. Okay, what is that? Distinct means unique values. Unique values. How to get a unique value? Suppose if I execute this, okay, I got all the names. But if you see, Ramesh Babu two times I got, Mahesh Babu also two times, Akhil also two times, Charan and Chaitanya is like a only single time. But I want all like a one time only. I don't want a duplicate. Like Ramesh Babu record came as a duplicate and Mahesh Babu record came as a duplicate. Akhil record as a came as a duplicate. I don't want to see the duplicates. I want to only how many values are there. Then you need to use the keyword called distinct. So distinct will give the unique values. Distinct what on which basis I want, any column base you can write. So I want on the first name from, okay, from students table. Execute this. Yeah, it is taking a little time. Yeah. So now I got a Akhil, Chaitanya, Charan, Mahesh Babu and Ramesh Babu. So only 5 records I got. Out of how many records? Out of 8 records, I got only 5 records in the distinct. So like this, if you see for any other columns, there you will see even less. Suppose area wise, if you want to check, so area will be very less. I think less area wise you will get. So if suppose you are making a school related website, and for that you are making an SQL as a database, there like a school children will be nearby that location or max to max 20-kilometer radius, not more than 20-kilometer radius, right? 20-kilometer radius కంటే ఇంక ఎక్కువ దూరం నుంచి వస్తారండి, రారు. మోస్ట్లీ 20-kilometer రేడియస్ లోపల నుంచి వస్తారు. Okay, so in that case, like if you are going for a area or a location, see these are there. Okay, this if you want to check, so suppose here I am having a Jubilee Hills and Hyderabad, Banjara Hills and Hyderabad. So in this column how to give? Okay, or if I want to check with the 2 3 columns using distinct, so the first name I given, the distinct of next last name, and next okay, we'll go with the 2, then after we'll go with the 3. So 2 I got a distinct values. Okay, but here what happened, due to first name I got a last name as a duplicates. Okay, duplicates. So distinct whenever you are working, go with the one column. Okay, mostly it will give like this only. So better to avoid this, you go with any specific columns. What is that? I think like this it is not accepting. Okay, anyway, go with the first column so that you will get a proper values, or if you are going for any other column, go with a one single column, then you will find very easily. What is this? See, I got. If I am going for last name, there are only three distinct last names. Got it right? So next one, next important keyword is like a order by. Okay, order by. These are not related to one and one. Like if you don't know about where, or if you don't know about order by, they are not interlinked. But if you know all the syntaxes, that will be very good. Try to learn. Like SQL keywords are very less. I think mostly 50 to 60 only. If you learn that, and if you uh, know how to apply and where to apply, that's it enough. You can easily crack the interviews. And one more thing is like most of the data engineer, okay, data engineers will work on SQL only. Okay, any type of SQL. I am not telling like only MySQL. So we are working on MySQL. Especially this SSMS only we are working, like a SQL Server Management Studio. Uh, we are working, but company to company it will vary. So mostly SQL they will work. Any one SQL, like maybe MySQL, NoSQL, any one SQL definitely one company having. Why? Because company having a customers and their own employees also. So they need to maintain one table to give all related employee information, salaries, finance related, company profit. These all they need to maintain. So for that, definitely they will have a database. Okay. So next, order by. What is mean by order by? Anytime you hear what is the English meaning order by? Guys, are you there?
చేస్తున్నా.
Yeah. Order by and intent.
డేటాని ఒక ఆర్డర్‌లో పెట్టడం.
Okay. So if suppose నాకు, if I am going back with this query, నాకు ఇవి ఎలా వచ్చాయి? అఖిల్ కింద వచ్చింది, చరణ్ పైన వచ్చింది, చైతన్య పైన వచ్చింది, రమేష్, మహేష్, ఇవి ఒక ఆర్డర్లో లేవు. వీటిని ఆర్డర్లోకి రావాలి అంటే యూ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ ద స్పెసిఫిక్ ఆర్డర్. ఓకే, ఐదర్ డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్ అసెండింగ్. Either you need to use ascending or descending. So for that we are going with the order by. Order by what is our this one? First name. So if I am going this, it will be come in the ascending order. By default, what is the order? Ascending order we will get. Okay. By default, what is the order? If you are not mentioning anything, and the semicolon is a little important for everywhere. I am missing that, but still you use it so that it will not give any error. So whenever you are not using any order, okay, any order, it will by default takes a, okay, here I am writing default will be ascending. Default order by, default order by is ascending order. Ascending order. So this is if you observe A, B, C, D like that, it will go till Z. So we are having less record, so it is showing like that, but it will go till Z. Okay. Next, if I want in the descending order, means from Z to A I want. Okay, from Z to A I want. Then you need to give ascending order by. Then after the column name desk. Okay, desk you need to give. So this is means a descending order. Okay, what is that meaning? That is like a descending order. Ascending order and a descending order both will be there. By default, what? By default ASC, ascending order. Okay, if you are mentioning or not mentioning also, it will be in a ascending order only. So whenever you are using order by and column name, and like if you are using ascending or if you are not using ascending word, then it will be ascending order only. If you want in descending order, you need to specifically mention DESC so that it will come in the descending order. If you see the order A to R, it is there. Now observe the result. So R to A is there. Got it, right? On any column base you can write. It's not like that only one column base you can write. You can write any column base you can write. Not only first name, not only last name, whichever column you want. If it is a number one, if it is a number one, then it will goes for 1 2 3 4 like that in ascending. In if it is descending, like a 10 9 8 like that it will come. So if you see the order, okay, id, if you see the id, okay, I'm taking one more example how number will behave. Okay, so id is our number column, right, or integer column. So now I am going for id only. See, 1 1 2 2 is not there, 3 4 5 6 7 8 the order came. If I am giving asc also, the result will be same. See the result, 1 1 3 4 5 6. So if you are mentioning or not mentioning, that will be same only. And next one descending order I wanted. Descending means like it will come 9 8 like that. In the reverse order it will come. See, 8 7 6 5 4 3 double 1 like that it came. Got it, right? This is about a
Yes,
order
sir.
by. So if I have a two
Mm.
columns, okay, two columns, order by, I don't want to go for id. First name and not and, comma, last name. See the result. So here it came into the order. Here also, like a, if you see, it's not given in the order. Why? Because g after r, okay, g after r. So whenever you are giving order by, one column will work very fine, okay, other column sometime it will not correct, get a correct order. So try to check whether you are getting correct order or not. Okay, and whenever you want one column in the other order, one column in the other order, that also you can give. But sometime it will not work properly, that I know, but still I will give. So this I want in ascending order. Okay, this I want in descending order. Okay, one column I want in ascending order, one column I want in descending order. See the result. So it is not showing any descending order. Why? Because a only it started. A only it started. So sometime what will happen, it will not give proper if you are going for a different orders. Okay, better go with the ascending or descending for one column so that it will automatically gives the output. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Next, not, not. So you, if you are having a records, you don't want that particular records. Okay, suppose uh, see, like a Akil records I don't want, but Chaitanya record I want. Okay, directly you can write equal to Chaitanya. That is one way, or you can write some other way also. How is this kind of query I want? Okay, so I already mentioned how to write a queries. You need to write a like a in this order. Okay, like a where some separate way you need to write. So you don't write in single line. Better try to avoid that so that it will looks good. Okay, whenever column names are coming, then definitely you need to write in the separate lines. It will give good impression. Now anyway, so I want a Chaitanya record. Okay, not a Akil. So what I need to write? First name underscore first underscore name. Okay, first name, or simply like a, before this I will go with the last name. Okay, last name Nagarjuna, I am going. Okay, last name, okay, last name is Nagarjuna is also not there. Okay, last name, what is that? Akine. Sorry. So if I'm going with the last name Akineni, I got three records. Okay, I got three records. I want only Chaitanya record. Okay, I want a Chaitanya record. I don't want a Akil records. Okay, I don't want a Akil record. If you see, remaining all are matching. Okay, here Akineni matching, here Nagarjuna, here Amala, here address also matching. But I don't want these records. Okay, I don't want this record. So last name Akineni I want. Okay, or in the other way I will tell you. This is one way writing of not okay, not first name equal to Akil. Okay, okay. Present I will show this. Then after we'll go with the and condition or condition. So what I will get if I use this query, apart from Akil, remaining all records will come. See, remaining all records came. So not means Akil record will not come and the remaining records will come. But from that three records only I want. So and this I want. So if I execute this, see only Chaitanya record I got it. Is it clear? So
Yes,
how
sir.
you want? You need to first check, okay, which records you want or which record client is looking. Depend upon that, you can go with how you want. Okay, the query
Okay.
you can write whatever way you like. So that is not an issue. Now, now the next word is like. Okay, like. Not you can use with different ways. Okay, only not one single way, you can use different ways, but yeah, try to practice this so that you will understand. Okay, now I am going with the next keyword is called like. Okay, yeah, sir. If I don't know something, okay, what is exactly full name? Okay, sometime we will forget what is the full name. Okay, or what is the value in the specific column that we will forget. If you see, I am not writing any slash mark, okay, to differentiate a different lines. Wherever this semicolon will come, till that place, SQL will consider as it's a one line only. Okay, it's a one line only. So better try to put everywhere this line so that if you are writing in a multiple lines also it will not create any issue. Okay. Now, now what we are discussing like, right? So if I suppose I don't know what is the full name in the column. Okay. What is the full name in the column? So like okay, like you can give Nag. Okay, you don't know what is a Nagarjuna or something, you know only half name. Okay, half name, then you can give like this one. Okay, Naga, so that it will check. Okay, it will check that particular thing. See, it is not coming. So for this one you need to give a percentage symbol. Okay, percentage symbol you need to give. Whenever you are giving percentage symbols, there will be like a first side, second side, like that logic is there. So now if you observe Nagarjuna, I got it. Okay, suppose I am giving in the first and I am not giving in the last, so it will check in the first only. So first Nag it is self, it is checking, so it is not giving that. So if you are giving last also, sometime it will not give proper way. Okay, if you are checking in the last also, last it given. Okay, but sometime if you are giving in the first it will not give. So better to avoid this. Okay, better to avoid this. Write like a two sides a percentage. So it will check a complete string, complete value it will check. Now if you observe, I got it. Or any other column like address, you don't know, you want to write for something like this. So address or address one. Okay. Column names you need to write properly. Address one. Okay. I want a BAN. Okay. See, Banjara Hills, I got a 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about a like statement. So you can use a not like also. Okay. Not like means apart from this, the other records will come. Okay. So here you need to use a not like. Not like means, and here SQL is a case insensitive. Python is a case sensitive means if you are writing capital letter and small letter, it will distinguish the two different ways. But here if you are writing keywords as a small and capital, it will not create any issue. It will take the query as it is, whatever you want to write, that it will take and it will give the output. Okay, is it clear? No.
Yes, sir.
The next one is called a between. Between. So like same here, but where is the ID column? This I want. So why? Because this between will works mostly for ID column. So where ID column, okay, ID column between. Okay, whenever keywords are coming, write in a capital. Okay, that is also one thing. So I want a 5 to 7. Okay, 5 and 7. So what I am doing, I want the records of these things. Okay, between this. So I got fifth record, sixth record, and seventh record, including starting range and ending range. If you are going for eighth record, okay, it includes the 8 records also. 8 record also I got it. Clear, right? So whenever you want records as an integer column base, you can use this very easily, so that you can distinguish or you can get the filtered records. Okay. Now the next one, in. Okay, in operator is like our list kind of formats we can give, or tuple also you can think like that. So whenever we are having a multiple records we want to get, okay, multiple records we want to get on different basis. Okay, that time we can use the in operator. So suppose I want records of Charan, Chaitanya and Akhil. So these three persons based records I want. Maybe it's a multiple. Okay, or if you go for any address kind of thing, Jubilee Hills, Banjara Hills, like that, all Jubilee Hills related and all Banjara Hills related records you want, then you can go with the in operator. How in operator will work? See, okay, sorry, this I will write again. Where what I want better I will go with last name. Okay, anything you can take, it's not like that. Last name in okay, last name in parenthesis open, Ram. Okay, Naik Akineni. So these two basic records I want. See, Ram record came, Akineni record will came. Okay. So whatever how many first names are there, that is not an issue. But whatever last name we are having with this, that many records will come. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Next one, less than greater than. Okay. This one and this one. So now for this I want ID. So integer column will be better to check this greater than and less than. So first I am going with the greater than. Okay. On three above records I want. Three above. Okay. ID where three above I want. So three above records will come. Okay. Three above records will come. So whenever you are giving five above, is not included. 5 above means is like a mathematical operation only. So between means that and the first range and last range will take, but less than greater than will take will not take that record. And above than that or below than that. So now I am going with the 5 above. So 6, 7, 8 are there. Next, if I am going for less than 5 below records I want. 5 below records I want. So 1, 1, 3, 4 records I got it. So, or if you are going for 7 above or 8, 8 below, then also you can use that. 8 below means 7, 7 and below records it will give. Got it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, for this also you can use a not. Okay. Not you can use so that it will filter in the other way. Like uh, for this one I will show you. You can use not everywhere. I am not mentioning means you don't think like it will not work. Not ID above 3. Yeah, it came equal to and below. So if you are going for 5, yeah, got it. Means reverse values will come. Clear, right? Till here, if you have any doubts, please let me know. No?
No, no.
Okay. Next one, null values. Okay, null values in Python there is like a none. Okay, in Python there is a keyword or a word is called none is there. N-O-N-E. Okay, here null is there. Okay, here null, there none is called same. Okay, so there is like a no direct. It is not a zero. It's not a zero, but it's a something like a not definable value. Null means there is a nothing. Okay, so how to check null? Okay, how to check the null values? Okay, so to check null values you need to use is null. So suppose somewhere in our data we are having a uh, total data. So instead of that, what I will do, I will insert one query. Okay, yeah, this query is okay. Instead of 3 records, I will go with the one record only. So the one record also, it is the ninth record. Okay, so this, okay, this data I am removing and I am giving null. Okay, null. Whenever you want to give null, you need to give without quotes. Okay, without quotes you need to give. Okay, one row affected. Now I want to check that ninth record came or not. Yeah, ninth record came and the null value also came. Okay, then you need to check how to check the is null or not. So select star from where address one is null. If you see this one, I got only one record. Okay, I got only one record, like a ninth record I got it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. So this also you can use a not. Okay, not null you can use. So not null means in that particular column, if null records are not there, that records will fetch. Remaining all, we don't have null record, so it fetched remaining all record except ninth record. Is it clear? He is null and he is
Yes.
not null. Okay, the next one. Okay, the next one is we will go with the update statements. Update statement. Okay, sometime like there is if you see, I want to update this Ramesh Babu record with a different address or with a different mother name or with a different father name I want to update. Okay, so here I am having a different records, right? So Ramesh Babu, its records are a little different. Three, how many records? Yeah. So I have a, why it came only 8 records? 9 we should have, no? Okay, not null we executed that result. Yeah, we got it 9 records. So null value is there. So I don't want null record or any other field I want to update, or somewhere in the Mahesh Babu field I want to update, Akhil field I want to update. So for that you can use a statement called update. So from which table? Okay, update from which table? Update students table. Okay, set what value you want to give. Okay, for last name column. Okay, last name, whenever you are writing update statements, you need to little check with the minimum two conditions. Okay, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా అప్డేట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ రాస్తున్నప్పుడు మినిమం రెండు కండిషన్స్ అన్న చెక్ చేయాలండి. ఒక అండ్ వాడండి మోస్ట్లీ. లేదు అంటే ఒకవేళ మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజన్లో చూడలేదు అంటే మొత్తం డేటాబేస్కి అప్డేట్ అయిపోయేందుకు ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. So where last name is what I will go Gattamaneni. Okay, Gattama. Okay, it should be in a quotes. Okay, okay, Gatamani. Okay, Gattamaneni. And if you see, if I update, okay, Gattamaneni to what I need to update. Okay, one T is missing. Suppose assumption Gattamaneni, one T is missing. So set last name where that one. Okay, where last name is this one. So if I am updating this, okay, where I am updating this, how many records will update? So here 1 2 3 4 records will update. So I don't want to do that. I want to update only Ramesh Bob records. Okay, I want to update only Ramesh Bob records. Then you need to give like a one more condition. Okay, one more condition you need to give. So how to give that? And the first name. Okay, first name is equal to, okay, what is that? Ramesh Babu. Okay, I don't want to change Mahesh Babu records. I want to change Ramesh Babu records only. Why what it's terminated? update student set last name Attamaneni string binary data would be truncated table Python DBO last name. Okay, yeah. So we given the less record, so that's what I think we removed. Okay, so I want to update to G. Okay, not even that. I want to update to G. So now see the update. So I got a two rows affected. Two rows affected that we can check. So if you see Ramesh Babu based two records got updated with the G. Got it? Any doubts in update statement? సో అప్డేట్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో మీరు ఏదైతే అప్డేట్ కావాలనుకున్నారో ఆ అప్డేట్ తీసుకోవచ్చండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ డిలీట్ రికార్డ్స్. ఓకే, డిలీట్ రికార్డ్స్, డిలీట్ రికార్డ్స్. So how to delete the records? So there is a direct keyword called delete. Okay, delete from which table? Ours is a students table. From students table, what we want to delete? So suppose I want to delete so I can delete. Yeah, I want to delete this Akil with null. Okay, where is the null value is there? So that record I want to delete. So here you need to write condition. You need to write simply like whenever where is there, you need to write the condition. So I am going for address 1 is null. Okay, is null. Then how many records it will come? One row only. So now if you want to check, yeah, I got it. Okay, so now i I removed or I deleted the ninth record called Akil based record. I deleted. Is it clear? You can write multiple conditions here. Okay, for delete also don't go with only single condition. Here I wrote only single condition, but in actual data there will be multiple columns. Okay, multiple values will be with the same thing. Okay, null will be common. Okay, if you are deleting with the null based, so many records will be deleted. So don't do these kind of things. So better to avoid that, use minimum two conditions, like one and condition. You use it, then only it will be easy to what check the result. Okay, you will not lose unnecessary records. Okay, మీకు unnecessary records అన్ని పోవండి. So better use this one. Okay, minimum two వాడండి. So or I will only show one more thing. Okay, రెండు ఎలా వాడాలి అంటే delete from. Suppose I want to delete Mahesh Babu and Ramesh Babu records. Okay, so Mahesh Babu and Ramesh Babu records. So for that, first name is equal to Mahesh Babu. Okay, first name is Mahesh Babu and last name is equal to Gattamaneni. Okay, so if I am giving like this, okay, if I am giving like this, what will happen? It will check for two. Okay, whether first name Mahesh Babu matching or not, last name Gattamaneni is matching or not, it will check. Okay, then after it will delete. Okay, here colon some quote is missing, so that is the problem. Here two records got deleted. Now if you are checking, Mahesh Babu records will not be there. Got it? Now next one, top. Okay, top. So how many records you want? Especially number of records you want, that you can get with the top keyword. Okay, top keyword you will get that. So select top two records. Okay, top two records. Okay, top two star. Okay, I got a top two records. Okay, if you want top 10 records, okay, top 5 records, like that you need to mention. So I got this top 5 records. Okay, top 3 records. See, top 3 records it got. Okay, clear, right? Similarly, there is a limit. Okay, limit. What will happen whenever you are using limit? It will give that many records only. So here it is giving top records, but what limit will do? Limit will give that many records only. Limit you should write after where condition. After where condition you can write so where I will go with the last name. Okay, where last name equal to Akineni Akineni limit 2 limit 2 or we can ignore this. Okay, here it is not supporting. Okay, better I need to give in the quotes, I think. So generally in SQL you need not to give like this. I think limit is not supporting here. Why it is not supporting? Okay, better wait. I'll delete this and we'll check. The limit itself it's not giving in blue color. So something, I think a limit is not supporting. Just to give me a minute. Is the limit supported by SQL Server? We don't support limit. Okay. Here limit is not working. Please try this syntax. Okay. Please try this syntax. So maybe my side SSMS is not supporting, but your side it will support. Okay.
Okay.
Next, what's the time? Yeah. one more keyword we'll see, then after we will stop. So there is a few more functions called aggregate functions. Okay, aggregate functions. Okay, aggregate functions. In aggregate functions, you will get min. Okay, max. Better you write like this so that you will get the idea. Min, max. Okay, count. Okay, next sum, average. Yeah, these are like a aggregate functions. So how to use this aggregate function we'll see now. So I want again this query. So one by one we'll go. First, whenever we want a minimum value, okay, minimum value, from that we can go with the min. Okay, suppose wherever the employee salary is there, okay, employee salary is there, there you want to give minimum. Okay, what is the minimum salary? Okay, the important interview question, what is the max salary from the table, they will ask like that. So minimum value is what? Minimum value is here 1. Okay, for id column I am taking, what is the minimum value? 1. Okay, what is the maximum value? Okay, max. Okay, what is the highest salary, they will ask. What is the highest salary? How to check the highest salary? So here the highest column is 8. Okay, highest column is 8. Next, count. Count mostly we will written number of records or number of rows we will call. Select count of, count star you need to give. Okay, count star from students. Okay, from the students table we want this count. How many records we are having? We are having total 6 records. How, like how to count that? You don't count like manually. Yesterday I said already, don't count manually, use this count statement. If you are using count statement, here it will be easy. Like a total 6 records are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 records are there. So 6 rows it is showing. So whenever you want to count how many rows are there, that you can give. The next, sum. So whenever you want to calculate the one column sum, okay, suppose salary is there, that you want to count. Okay, that you want to count. Then how you need to give sum? Here I am giving id. Okay, I don't have salary column, so I am giving id. See this. So what columns we are having, that first what rows we are having we'll see. So id, this is 1. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. So whenever we are giving sum, that particular column full total will come. Okay, total will come. So that is the main use of sum. Average. Next one is called average. Average already you know, the formula is there, average formula. So by using that average formula, it will give the value. So what exactly average formula is? The total number of rows. Okay, total number of rows, not in the rows exactly, like in the id column, how many total values are there? Okay, the total values, the count of total value by number of rows or number of that values. Okay, so if you see here, what sum we got 24, right? Sum we got a 24. Okay, now if you go for see how many values are there, 6 values are there. Okay, 24 by 6, 24 by 6, 6 4 is a 24. So average how much it will get? 4 it will get. Got it?
Yes.
సో జనరల్గా మ్యాథ్స్లో ఎలాగైతే చేస్తామో అలాగేనండి ఇవన్నీ కూడా. మినిమం వాల్యూ అంటే ఎట్లా తీసుకుంటాము, మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ ఎట్లా తీసుకుంటాము, సమ్ అంటే ఏం చేస్తాము, అవే ఫంక్షన్స్. సో వీటిని అగ్రిగేట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అని అంటాము. సో ఈజీ, డోంట్ వరీ. నెక్స్ట్ విల్ సీ, టుమారో విల్ సీ జాయిన్స్. నౌ ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ 8, సో ఐ నీడ్ టు ఫ్రెష్ అప్. Oh, it's fine. So we'll see tomorrow joins and remaining all SQL things. Huh? So what is the tomorrow? Today is Friday. Huh?
Friday.
Okay, tomorrow we'll finish SQL completely. We'll see if anything is pending. We'll take a little 10-15 minutes extra and we will finish everything. Okay, till
Mm.
here, if you have any doubts, please let me know so that we will discuss on that. Otherwise, we will stop the session here. Okay, from listing we have started. Okay, yeah, we'll see. This is fine, right? If you want to separate, separate, I will write separate, separate also. Yeah, I will do that. Don't worry. I will do that and share it. Any other doubts?